I want to show off this chainsaw. Actually, it's Coofix. Everything that you need comes in the box. So this is the wall AC adapter that's used to charge this battery in this port right here. You also get a battery check by pushing the button on the battery, and it shows I've got all the green bars. I'm going to go ahead and slide this in. I've got a guard, and I've got a safety trigger that has to be pushed in before I can pull the actual engaging of the blade. So the other thing that comes with it before we cut is we get all the tools needed to change out the blade and tighten up the blade. So let's go ahead and use this. And you can see how large this piece was, and I was able to cut it easily with this Coofix chainsaw.